21. TWENTYONE. 21. There are 21 B's in the picture. The Italian alphabet has 21 letters. 22. TWENTYTWO. 22. There are 22 apples in the picture. The length of the cricket pitch is 22 yards. 23. TWENTYTHREE. 23. There are 23 stars in the picture. It takes around 23 seconds for blood to circulate the body on average. 24. TWENTYFOUR. 24. There are 24 cars in the picture. One day consists of 24 hours. 25. TWENTYFIVE. 25. There are 25 lotus in the picture. There are 25 cents in a quarter. 26. TWENTYSIX. 26. There are 26 ice creams in the picture. Alphabets have 26 letters. 27. TWENTYSEVEN. 27. There are 27 roses in the picture. There are 27 lunar mansions, that is, nakshatras in Hindu astrology. 28. TWENTYEIGHT. 28. There are 28 hands in the picture. There are 28 days in the February month except leap year. 29. TWENTYNINE. 29. There are 29 cows in the picture. 29 is one of the prime number. It has only 2 factors. 30. THIRTY. 30. There are 30 tomatoes in the picture. In chemistry, the atomic number of zinc is 30. Thanks for watching.